got the hot jacket.
This is where we are.
He going with the
I don't even know how to pronounce this place. What is it?
Okay, give me a answer.
That's where we
I
are.
have to take my silly mask off. Okay.
Benihana Atlanta. Okay. Oh, Renee, I ain't got y'all.
Oh, you got one. Oh, you're
It's so good.
It's good.
Hey, Cameron. Hi, Cameron. You too.
It was supposed to put my full name.
Oh shit! I don't know. Edit it. You can edit it out. What's up, YouTube fam? You can crop that first part out.
Hello, everybody. This is Purple Passion. Today is July the 10th on a Saturday. I'm so glad my family here. They made it safely in town to be here to support me on my red carpet event that we're having tomorrow. Family and friends, y'all. Don't ever take it for granted. I love my family. They're so wonderful. All right.
Atlanta. So this is the little sink area. I'll show you guys the bathroom in a minute because someone's in the bathroom. So it's so cool they come with a mirror, a big mirror in here because I brought my own to do my makeup. Yeah, it's really nice. Got a picture. We have this closet time you walk in right here. This is what the closet looks like.
Hey, this definitely is not enough room for just two people.
Iron and a blow dryer and ironing board and something else, and I got my stuff down there and shoes and some dresses. Okay, so I have my aunt right here who you hear talking in the background.
What's up, y'all?
She's looking cute in her purple.
Thank you.
Yes,
I
looks
love
so
my
cute and
purple.
stylish. Okay, and then straight we have this lamp that looks crooked. Why I look crooked? What's going on with this? It's like driving me nuts. Okay, and then we have this mirror. Looks nice. Oh yeah, I got my rain boots. It's like raining and storming.
Girl, wait a minute, did you have them on at first or you had on something different? Your rain boots.
I had these on.
You had them on? Oh
yeah. Do a dance move that you like, that you know.
Uh-huh.
Do Do a popular recent dance move that you know.
Wow!
That's a dance move?
No,
That's like a fighting pose. Oh, ow. I didn't even see me.
Okay, that's right, Sherry. I need to put it on you so that
And then I did my, oh yeah.
Do your dance, girl. Don't she look pretty?
I have this one piece from Pretty Little Things. It's a
Pretty
one
Little
piece.
Things?
It's like kind of like a swimsuit piece.
Oh, that's a one piece
Yeah.
right there. Ooh,
Mhm.
girl, that is
And then I have
sharp.
these high-waisted pants. I
Yeah.
believe they're from Route 21, really old.
Yeah.
This is from
Look at
Hollister,
you.
really old.
Wow, but
No,
it's nice.
I lied.
Huh?
Aeropostale.
Aeropostale.
This is from Aeropostale.
Wow.
But yeah, the little.
I like the way you did that. And you look good in that color too. That is pretty, girl. Look at you. And her hair is on point, boy.
And the crochet here,
Mhm.
the details will be inside the description box. So
Oh.
don't forget to check that out if you're interested in the hair
Check
that I
it
have
out.
in.
Yeah.
It's really worth it. I actually
I
may
like
do a
it.
video. If you guys want a video on this
Yeah.
crochet hair,
Woo.
I will do that for you guys to give you more
Yeah.
details on like how long I wore it for,
Mhm.
does it tangle?
I'm gonna let her do
all
my hair
that.
next time. Look, I like that. I can wear that too. Oh, somebody called.
And we have Shanae.
Oh, don't worry. You gotta go.
Hey, We are about to eat, and when we get our plates, we will show you guys what we're eating. Right? That's my cousin Shanae. Look at her gorgeous hair, y'all. She likes it short.
That's pretty.
Oh. Definitely down in the description box. She has really cute things. But they have like little diamonds and they're really reflective, like colorful diamonds on here, and it says Chanel, has a symbol, the logo, and it's really big. I have all my hair in here. I just got through washing my face and about to brush my teeth. Should did that first, then wash my face. But yeah. So we're getting ready for my aunt's premiere. That's what we're doing this weekend. I didn't tell you guys. But that's what's going on. This may just be a whole bunch of clips put together, or this may be separate, like a little weekend vlog, like a quick weekend vlog. But yeah, so I'm about to finish getting ready, start doing my makeup. I left my dress that I went and actually brought for this event. I left it at home, like I was 15 minutes on my way here. And I was like, dang, I left my dress, so I had to buy something else. Did not fit. It really does not fit, but I may have to wear it. I don't know. I will update you guys when I'm done because we're pushing for time here, to be honest, and I haven't eaten breakfast. So I'm gonna get my makeup on, or outfit, makeup on, and let my hair down, do my hair. See y'all in a minute. Oh yeah, y'all, so I did not get a chance to get my outfit before, but this is where we are. Just push the button. It's already recording.
Oh, okay.
It has a stop button, right?
You know what about
Yeah.
It's a
Oh,
recording.
look at that. Make a pose, girl.
So I am finally here at my aunt's premiere. This is the outfit I'm wearing.
You know what about
Renee.
Here in the way. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my gosh, she talks her conversation over into this. Anyway, this is my aunt
I better get in on her.
right here. Yeah, yeah.
That's the
This is my
star.
outfit that I'm wearing, y'all. I'll be back to show y'all more. Thanks. Hey, y'all.
Working with Lance is a wonderful experience. He really took care of, of what we did to get to this spot where we are today. And we really appreciate all his help. The post-production,
Recording.
he had us on point. Very knowledgeable, just like Kima is. They both are very knowledgeable people. And they really hold the title to their name. They're really excellent to work with.
About 3 years ago. And so far, it's been wonderful, very rewarding. I've been blessed to work in the medical field. I have over 25 years in cardiology. So if you need your heart checked, you know you come see, right? Okay. But guess what? My real passion, dreams, and talents is with writing and with drama. So that's why I'm working on my first book. And I'm also working on my first short film. You'll have to check that out. It's called Exposing the Real Virus. I hope to see you soon. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy my monologue. Hey, Mr. Wilkes. Hi, I hate to interrupt you. I need to talk to you for a minute. It won't take long, just 2 minutes, because I got 5 minutes, because I know how you is about that time, right? Okay, well, you the supervisor, with all due respect, and I'm an employee, so I know you're not going to take this county. But you're getting you just look bad right here. You're too hard on everybody. You need to loosen up that tie a little bit. Well, not your real time, but just, opportunity. You be rushing us, your management skills is just really, it's pretty bad. I'm telling you, did evaluation on it. HR came over here, and we all had to put something down, but I see something nice about you. I just want you to know, I'm not gonna be like the rest of them, talk about you behind your back, But I tell you what, it don't look good. You had 10 people leave last year, and they didn't even give a notice. So I'm just telling you that,
What's that mean?
Oh, this is my 2-week notice.
Good job, Renee.